Amazing animal facts. Welcome back, animal lovers, to our channel. We are bringing you closer to nature by sharing amazing animal facts. Today we'll be learning about some mind-blowing facts about animals that might surprise you. So get ready and let's dive in. Number 1. The world's smallest mammal. Have you ever heard of the bumblebee bat? It is truly a tiny creature weighing less than a penny and measuring only about an inch long. These bats are found in Thailand and Myanmar and are considered the smallest mammals in the world, despite their diminutive stature. These bats have all the same anatomical features as larger bats, including wings, fur, and the ability to fly. They can eat small insects and are active during the day, unlike most bats, which are nocturnal. Bumblebee bats are incredibly cute and vulnerable creatures, but they also demonstrate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their existence shows us that there is still so much we do and know about the natural world, and that even in the smallest of creatures, there is beauty and wonder to be found. No. 2. The cutest animal on Earth. This is definitely subjective, but if you ask me, the red panda is undoubtedly one of the cutest animals on the planet. These fluffy, furry creatures look like a mix between a teddy bear and a raccoon. Red pandas are native to the Eastern Hemisphere and are known for their distinctive reddish fur and long bushy tails. But what makes them so special? According to a recent study published in the journal Current Biology, red pandas may have evolved from an ancient population of giant pandas that migrated to the mountains of the Himalayas. Over time, they developed smaller bodies and longer tails, allowing them to navigate the dense undergrowth of bamboo forests with ease. And their distinctive fur color may have evolved as a form of camouflage, helping them blend in with the reddish hues of the forest floor. Red pandas are endangered species, so it is important to protect their habitat and ensure their survival. But just looking at them is enough to make you fall in love with these adorable creatures. Number 3. Animals that can change color. If you've ever seen a chameleon change color, you know just how fascinating this ability is. But did you know that there are other animals that can do it too? For example, the octopus can change color in a matter of seconds by expanding and contracting small pigment sacs called chromatophores. This allows them to camouflage themselves or communicate with each other by displaying different colors and patterns. Another amazing color changer is the pygmy seahorse. These tiny horses can change color to match their surroundings, making them almost invisible to predators. They do this by controlling the amount of pigment in their skin cells, which reflect and absorb different wavelengths of light. Color-changing abilities allow these animals to adapt to their environment, whether it be for camouflage or communication. It is a remarkable adaptation that helps them survive in the wild. Number 4. A bird that can swim underwater. You might be thinking, how can a bird swim underwater? Well, it's not your typical bird, it's the penguin. Penguins have adapted to life in the water in ways that are truly amazing. Their wings have evolved into flippers that allow them to swim with grace and speed through the water, and their feathers are coated with a layer of blubber that keeps them warm in the coldest of temperatures. But what's really mind-blowing is their ability to hold their breath underwater for extended periods of time. Some species of penguins can dive to depths of over 500 meters and stay underwater for more than 20 minutes at a time. They do this by slowing their heart rate and reducing their metabolic rate, which reduces the amount of oxygen they need to stay submerged for longer periods. This adaptation allows them to hunt for food underwater without having to surface for air. Penguins are truly remarkable creatures that defy the limitations of their environment and excel in both air and water. Their ability to swim underwater is a testament to their adaptability and resilience, and they continue to amaze scientists and nature lovers alike. Number 5. Animals that can regrow body parts. You might think that if you lose a finger or an arm, that's it, it's gone forever. But in the animal kingdom, there are creatures that can regrow body parts with ease. Starfish are perhaps the most well-known animals that can regrow their limbs. If a starfish loses an arm, it can simply grow a new one, and it doesn't stop there. Some species of starfish can even regrow an entire new body from just one severed arm. This ability is made possible by specialized cells in the starfish's body called pluripotent stem cells. These cells are capable of developing into any type of cell in the body, which allows them to regrow lost limbs and even entire body. Another animal that can regrow body parts is the gecko. If a gecko loses its tail, it can regrow a new one, although it won't be exactly the same. The new tail will be made up of cartilage instead of bone, and will have a different scale pattern than the original tail. Geckos can also regrow their limbs, but the process is more complex and they typically only do so under extreme circumstances. Animals like starfish and geckos show us the incredible regenerative powers of nature and make us wonder if humans will ever be able to regrow lost body parts. Number 6. The largest animal on Earth. The blue whale is truly a majestic creature, reaching lengths of over 100 feet and weighing in at a staggering 200 tons. This massive mammal is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth, bigger than any dinosaur that ever roamed the planet. Blue whales are found in all oceans around the world and are known for their haunting songs that can travel 4 miles underwater. They have a lifespan of 80 to 90 years and can reach sexual maturity at around 5 to 7 years old. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are surprisingly graceful and can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. They are filter feeders, consuming krill and other small fish. Sadly, blue whales are endangered species due to threats such as ship strikes and entanglement in fishing gear. However, thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly beginning to recover. It is truly humbling to know that such magnificent creatures exist in our world, and it is our responsibility to protect them for future generations to enjoy. No. 7. The tiniest frog. If you thought geckos were cute, wait until you see the world's tiniest frog, the Pedophryaena. This tiny amphibian is only about the size of a coin and is found in the mountains of Papua New Guinea. Despite its small size, this frog has all the same features as its larger relatives, including bulging eyes, webbed feet, and a long, sticky tongue for catching insects. The Pedophryaena is a nocturnal species, which means it sleeps during the day and hunts at night. Its small size allows it to squeeze into tiny crevices where it can hide from predators and ambush its prey. The discovery of this tiny frog was a significant event in the scientific community, as it pushed back the boundaries of what we thought was possible for frogs. It also raised questions about how such small frogs are able to survive in the wild and what adaptations they've developed to thrive in their environment. Further research is needed to fully understand this fascinating creature, but one thing is for sure. The Pedophryaena is a remarkable example of the diversity of life on Earth. Number 8. A fish that can live out of water. If you saw a fish walking on land, you would probably be very surprised. After all, fish are adapted to live in water, right? Well, there is one species of fish that can actually do this. It's the mudskipper. Mudskippers are small fish that live in brackish waters such as estuaries and can grow to a maximum length of around 10 inches. They have special adaptations that allow them to survive out of water, such as their thick, slimy skin, which prevents them from drying out. They also have special scales on their heads that help protect them from predators while they are on land. Mudskippers typically spend their days in water and come out at night to forage for food on land. They use their pectoral fins to crawl along the ground, looking for small invertebrates to eat. While they're on land, they can breathe through their skin and a special organ called a labyrinth organ, which allows them to extract oxygen from the air. It's incredible to think that there are fish that can adapt to life on land, but the mudskipper is just one example of the many amazing animals that can do things we didn't think were possible. Which fact surprised you the most? Did you find this video informative or enjoyable? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to stay tuned for more amazing videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.